Every second, thousands of Cadbury Dairy Milk bars are born here. This is the journey of the...
The secret begins with fresh, liquid milk, collected daily and delivered to the plant.
The first step in the Cadbury secret. Fresh milk is condensed with sugar until it reaches a thick, creamy...
In the conching stage, the mixture is kneaded until it becomes silk. This is the...
Precision is key. Each mold is filled with an exact measure of liquid gold, ensuring every Cadbury bar has that consistent, iconic shape.
The moment of truth. The bars emerge, perfectly tempered, with a brilliant shine and the signature Cadbury snap.
Sealing in the freshness. Each bar is wrapped in protective foil within milliseconds, ready for its iconic purple coat. Every single bar is tracked. High-speed lasers etch batch data in milliseconds, ensuring full traceability from the farm to the store.
Millions of bars, perfectly packed and ready. The core journey is complete, but the story of quality is just beginning. Science meets sweetness. Every batch is tested for the perfect snap, the hallmark of perfectly tempered Cadbury Dairy Milk.
Purity in every breath.
The factory environment is as clean as a surgical suite, ensuring that the milk chocolate
Innovation never sleeps. Automated maintenance ensures the line never stops, producing millions of bars for the world.
A hidden signature of quality. Invisible codes track every bar's journey through the plant, ensuring only the perfect reach the consumer. From liquid to solid, from bean to bar, the transformation is complete and the journey to the world begins.
Total precision. From this hub, every gram of milk and cocoa is monitored by advanced AI, ensuring From our doors to the world, millions of bars begin their journey, maintained at the perfect temperature to preserve the Cadbury quality. Millions of bars, one secret formula, Cadbury Dairy Milk, manufacturing happiness, 1.5 glasses at a time.